Welcome to this quick video on User Management Roles Loader. This template comes with the System Administration Loader license. Using this tool, you can assign roles to users. This replicates the management typically undertaken in the user management responsibility. Also, justifications can be entered and end dates applied. To use this loader, you need to be connected to your Oracle instance using the Login button and then select the template that corresponds to the loader functionality. Once the template has been installed using the Setup ribbon. You can obviously have multiple loaders installed on your instance and available to your responsibility. Click Create New to generate a new sheet with this template, or click OK if you already have a tab with the corresponding template. You have multiple options to create your dataset. You can type the data in. You can also use any standard Excel functionality like formula. You can also enter or complete your dataset with the data forms available from the main ribbon, or by double-clicking on the record you'd like to see on this user form. All your Oracle setup is loaded here, your list of roles for instance. You can use the wildcard person to do a partial search and then select one of the roles. When you close a user form, it performs validation on the corresponding record. Quick note on the other fields available here. First, overwrite, specify true if you want the update of active start and end date to be allowed in the loader, and justification is a free text field available to provide notes or additional information on any user role and responsibility. When the dataset is ready, you have a few options. You can either validate the dataset only or validate and upload. You can either upload a selection previously highlighted or upload all rows on these sheets. If you select Upload All, it will ignore the records previously uploaded and will upload only valid records to Oracle. Most of the roles have been successfully assigned. They have an accepted status. The ones that were not uploaded successfully have an error status and message to help us correct the error. You can fix the incorrect value and reprocess this row choosing Upload Selected. You can also download existing records using the download functionality, the download form, or download using sheet data. Using the second download option, you just highlight your download criteria like a username and then click on Download via Sheets. You can then keep your download criteria or clear them. You can then use this to update existing role assignments. And that's about it for this loader. Thanks for watching.